no.
Do you know me?
They're almost finished.
Do you know me?
Okay.
Do you know me? I will kill you.
They're almost finished the car.
Finish what? You are mad.
Okay, no flex. They're almost finished the car.
You are mad. Today.
But sir, please, you can calm down now. Please, just calm down, please. Calm down.
You said what?
I said calm down.
You are mad. Who are you? How do you solo? Do you come here?
I should come?
I said, come here. You, go. Go. Come here. Come closer. I said, come closer. Are you mad? Do you know me?
Who are you?
Jesus Christ. Who am I? I am a major for Gumbura. I am a major. You must be stupid. You are mad.
Yes, sir.
Ta ló gbẹ́nu ajá ẹbọ mi? Do I send for you? A major general in soldier and army. Oh God. God of mercy. Oh God.
I'm very sorry.
You are very sorry. You are sorry for yourself. I'm going to show you who I am.
I'm very sorry, sir.
I will tell you.
I'm very sorry, sir.
I will kill you. Move. Go and enter that canal. I will show you. Oh yeah. Go and enter that. I'm very sorry. Go enter that. Now move. Move. Now. Go and enter that canal. Hey, come back. I change my mind. Stood down. Idiot. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Please stand up. Please stand up. This is your ID card?
Yes.
Are you a soldier?
Yes, now I'm a soldier.
You are a soldier?
Yes, you must be a soldier too.
Hey!
What happened?
I won't know. I'm not a soldier.
You are not a soldier.
I'm not a soldier.
You are not a soldier. Naval officer.
I'm not naval officer.
Air Force.
I'm not Air Force.
Then who are you?
People call me Major, but it's AKA Major. I'm a police to people that push up. I'm a lot by learner. I just follow their vow, but because I got body. Fuck!
Said?
You are. I am a